Hello everybody, welcome back to Dive the Planet. Today we're about to head to Maltatayoc Island. It's been on my bucket list of places to go for a long time. There's a nice long sandbar on it, so hopefully it's a really pretty place. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, and enjoy. Okay, so we're getting close to Maltatayoc. There is another boat, so we might not be alone, but that's okay. It's a big island and a big beach, so we're not having to be crowded or anything like that. This is Maltatayoc. It's a beautiful little beach with a nice long sandy patch, but there's lots of trash that hasn't been picked up. We'll pick up what we can while we're here. And you can tell that it hasn't been maintained during the pandemic. There were some cottages that they're a little bit destroyed. It's sad to see, but it's still a beautiful